Achieving success while maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial to avoid burnout. In this video, it breaks down the 20 habits that may be impeding your success and well-being you might want to bid farewell to. Number 1. Excessive perfectionism. Striving for excellence is good, but obsessing over perfection can lead to unnecessary stress and delays. Number 2. Ignoring breaks. Continuous work without breaks can hinder productivity and contribute to burnout. Take regular breaks to refresh your mind. Number 3. Overcommitting. Saying yes to everything can spread you too thin. Learn to prioritize and say no when necessary. Number 4. Lack of delegation. Trust others to handle tasks. You don't have to do everything yourself. Number 5. Inadequate sleep. Lack of sleep negatively affects cognitive function and productivity. Make sleep a priority. Number 6. Ignoring physical health. Regular exercise and a healthy diet contribute to both physical and mental well-being. Number 7. Neglecting mental health. Ignoring stress and mental health issues can lead to burnout. Seek support when needed. Number 8. Procrastination. Delaying tasks increases stress and can result in poor quality work. Tackle tasks promptly. Number 9. Unrealistic time management. Set achievable goals and manage your time realistically to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Number 10. Multitasking. Focusing on one task at a time often leads to better results than juggling multiple tasks. Number 11. Comparison to others. Constantly comparing yourself to others can lead to dissatisfaction and stress. Focus on your own journey. Number 12. Fear of failure. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity rather than viewing it as a setback. Number 13. Ignoring hobbies. Pursuing hobbies and interests outside of work provides balance and relaxation. Number 14. Lack of boundaries. Establish clear boundaries between work and personal life to prevent constant stress. Number 15. Unhealthy relationships. Toxic relationships can drain your energy. Surround yourself with positive influences. Number 16. Neglecting continuous learning. Stay updated and adapt to changes in your industry to maintain a competitive edge. Number 17. Unrealistic perseverance. Know when to pivot or change course if something isn't working, rather than persisting blindly. Number 18. Overconsumption of news. Constant exposure to negative news can contribute to stress. Limit your news intake. Number 19. Ignoring feedback. Constructive criticism is essential for growth. Don't dismiss feedback. Use it to improve. Number 20. Failure to celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your successes. It's essential for motivation and a positive mindset. Success is a holistic concept that involves a balance between professional and personal well-being. Letting go of these habits can contribute to a more sustainable and fulfilling path toward success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.